Realme is gearing up to launch a highly anticipated smartphone, the Realme GT 7 Pro, and it's expected to make a big splash. So what can we look forward to in terms of release date and features? Let's start with the design. The Realme GT 7 Pro's back cover is crafted using IG multi-layer technology, which allows precise temperature control and pressure application. This process gives the phone a striking red color resembling the surface of Mars. The rear camera design is also revamped, with a sleek square module in the top corner housing 3 lenses and a flash, all set in a modern, flat metal frame. There are also leaked color options like white and titanium, adding a simple unique touch that gives off a bit of a Xiaomi vibe. Now the display is definitely one of the GT 7 Pro standout features. It's a 6.78-inch Samsung Eco OLED Plus, featuring a small quad-curve design and a sharp 2780x1264 pixel resolution. It supports LTPO variable refresh rates from 1Hz up to 120Hz and can reach a whopping 6000 nits of brightness, making it perfect for outdoor use. Plus, it has a Qualcomm ultrasonic fingerprint sensor embedded in the screen for a seamless experience. This phone will also be the first to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, with RAM options ranging from 8GB to a massive 24GB and storage up to TB. This Snapdragon chip is currently Qualcomm's strongest, with the phone reportedly hitting over 3 million points on Antutu, making it a powerhouse for gaming and intense multitasking. As for battery life, the GT 7 Pro packs a hefty 6500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, so you get quick top-ups and long-lasting power. The camera setup sounds promising too, with a 16 megapixel front camera and 3 rear cameras, a 50 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel secondary, and another 50 megapixel lens. It even offers 3 times optical zoom, so we can expect impressive photo quality. The Realme GT 7 Pro will run the latest Android 15 with Realme UI 6, and it's packed with extras like an IR sensor, metal frame, and water and dust resistance with IP68 and IP69 ratings. The Chinese release is expected on November 4th, with a global release following soon after. Let us know in the comments what you think of this phone. Do you think it will become really popular or not? And don't forget to support us by liking the video so we can keep bringing you more content on this channel. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mag 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.